Gentleman Telugu movie summary. Aishwarya, the daughter of an affluent entrepreneur, boards a flight back to Hyderabad from the United States. Catherine, a VFX designer returning from a month-long workshop, boards the same flight in London. To help pass the time, they share their love stories. Catherine explains that she is in a relationship with Gautam, a graduate from IIM who owns an adventure club, and Aishwarya shares that her fiancé Jairam Jai Mullapudi is an award-winning entrepreneur who oversees his father's company Jai Govri Finance. When Aishwarya and Catherine arrive in Hyderabad, they are met by Jai and the former's cousin Vamsi. Catherine gets shocked to see that Jai is Gautam's lookalike. After hearing from Gautam's mother Yashoda about his death in an accident 10 days earlier, she leaves the house grief-stricken. An investigative journalist named Nitya meets her and tells her that she suspects that Gautam was murdered. They initially suspect David, Catherine's uncle, who is admitted to a hospital after an overdose of narcotics. Catherine reaches the hospital only to learn that Jai has kidnapped the comatose David. Nitya uncovers information about a potential accounting scandal in Jai Govri Finance and knows that the suicide of Jai's uncle Mohan and Gautam's accident took place on the same day. Catherine and Nitya agree on spying on Jai. Aishwarya recommends Catherine to Jai for a job in the latter's company, to which he reluctantly agrees. Catherine's presence in the company disturbs Jai, who soon realizes that she is spying on him. Nevertheless, he remains silent. Catherine overhears a conversation between Vamsi and Jai where the former threatens to disclose the latter's involvement in Gautam's murder to the media. Catherine then becomes the victim of an attempted murder, almost getting run over by a lorry while on the road. She later gains information about the security arrangements of the company by coercing her team leader Sudarshanam. Nitya provides a duplicate of the master key to Jai's cabin. Catherine finds the discharge papers of David and Gautam and a document confirming the transfer of 5 billion rupees from Aishwarya's company. Catherine and Nitya later visit an orphanage where David is being treated and find him dead. They spot Jai leaving the orphanage in a hurry, which strengthens their suspicions. At a party, Jai is disturbed after observing a growing intimacy between Catherine and Vamsi, an intimacy created by Catherine to provoke Jai. After mustering courage, Jai tells Vamsi that he will divulge the truth to the police. Vamsi rushes to fetch the documents with which he has been blackmailing Jai. Jai reaches the place and a fight ensues. Jai kills Vamsi and manages to make it look like a road accident. Jai then destroys all the documents Vamsi had been using to blackmail him. The following day, Aishwarya finds Jai's clothes and photograph in Catherine's closet and suspects an illicit relationship between them. After a dejected Aishwarya calls off the marriage and leaves, Catherine confronts Jai and challenges him to unveil his real self as a murderer and fraudster. Initially stoic, an emotional Jai reveals that he is Gautam himself by showing a wristband Catherine had given him before leaving for London. The couple reconciles and Gautam starts narrating the truth. Vamsi, who is jealous of Jai's success, persuades David, his old friend, to murder him. Assuming he is Gautam, David agrees, due to a fight he had with Gautam earlier. Meanwhile, Gautam comes across Jai's photograph on the internet and alters his look to resemble Jai, and meets Mohan in an attempt to find sponsors for his club. A dying Mohan reveals that Vamsi coerced him to invest in betting and illegal businesses, which resulted in a loss of nearly 5 billion rupees, for which Aishwarya's father Ram Prakash agreed to reimburse him. Meanwhile, David fatally stabs Jai in a warehouse, which is secretly filmed by Vamsi. Before Jai dies, Gautam reaches the spot and promises Jai to save his company from Vamsi and others. Gautam then places his clothes and wallet along with Jai's body in his car and pushes it into a lake, making it look like an accident. Yashoda helps him with this cover-up, and Gotham begins his new life as Jay. However, Vamsi, who knows Gotham's true identity and filmed all the events, edits the visuals and blackmails Gotham. With Catherine spying on him, Gotham had no option but to remain silent to avoid issues with Vamsi. Gotham also reveals that Vamsi is the one who attempted to murder Catherine with the lorry. Aishwarya emerges, having overheard the entire conversation, and the families mourn Jay's death. A year later, the families of Jay and Aishwarya attend an award ceremony where Aishwarya is adjudged the best entrepreneur of the year. She dedicates the award to the deceased Jay, as Gotham and Catherine watch teary-eyed.